Welcome back. This is Linda Mom 1221. So hold on. So wait, hold on. Okay. Anyways. So yeah, I have absolutely nothing to say. Oh yeah. Update. Just give me a second. Okay, I have a question. What do you think I should wear on this animal that would actually look good? Because I have no idea what would look good. See, look, I would wear this with that, but look at that. This doesn't look good. They have a lot of these. I don't know. Oh my. Okay, wait. Oh, and the winner for my last giveaway is Wolf 1228, who's now currently on. So I shall. No, I can't send. Oh, see, look. I can't send or do anything. So I'll do that by, like, what is it? Oops, I need my glasses. Oh, I'm so tired. I do want to talk to you about something. I can't send or trade. So watch. See, it won't let me. Okay, anyway. I do like a black mech helmet to win the horse party. Dang it, it's not on today. I need. See, look, I can't. Scarecrow is disabled. Okay. So yeah, pretty boring. Oh, and I would like collecting these for one of my den that I will be making. Not this den. I'm gonna leave it out of this den just because I think it looks better without it. That's just me. Oh. My computer is so slow. I'm not even kidding. Oh, look at there. This is a boring den. Watch me make a fabulous den, you know? You gotta put fabulous in everything. I can't move my keyboard today. Say yes together. Get out of here. Nobody wants you. I'm joking. I lick her. I lick her. Oh god, this is embarrassing. Anyways, let's see. What would go with blue. She is a good friend, a best friend. I guess all my friends are best friends, except for, wait. Okay, wait, hold on. I'll show you my friends and best friends. Okay, hold on, I'll do that later. She's on the scene. Pig, no. Let's do. Blue. Something. Oh, Wolf, you're awesome. Shout out to Wolf. 18889. Just gotta put these. Yeah. She lying. I do not have swag at all. I have the utmost weirdest look that I could possibly make in my den. Oh, my friends make me laugh, and I do not like laughing. Get out of here. No, I'm joking. No. I need this to be a casual den. Oops, that's not casual. Why not that? Let's do blue. Let's get you over here. Oh god. Okay, my voice. I don't know why people like it. It's so deep. And I sound so weird when I Kindle. Do. Yeah, let's just do that. Let me just switch the song. I don't know if you can hear me, so I'll turn it down. You know what's weird? No, hold on. Give me a second. This thing is completely slow and well, it's not like slow. Can you hear it? No, probably turned it down too much. Okay, that should be good. Yeah, that's good. I need to do me. I can't shoot anyone. That sucks. Dude, I'm in the middle of a... There's a lizard.
He's part of your animal jam.
But there's no lizard in the animal jam. Why is a lizard on my leg? Oh god. You want to sit on keyboard? Do you want to talk? He can't talk. So like, you don't know how you're gonna know. Oh, ow! He's scratching my leg! I should put a cam on. Oh yeah. Next time I will. No! Ow! 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 He's a... Shut up, the Mexican Avenger. He's scratching my leg! And now he's climbing on my keyboard! Do you hear that? Hold on. You need to hear this. Hold on. Do you hear that? That's him! He's just scratching at my keyboard. Ow! His spike is pokey! He's, What is... A bearded lizard. A bearded dragon? What are these lizards called? A bearded lizard, something. Oh yeah, it's a bearded dragon. Yeah. He's fat. He needs to exercise. Oh, his name is Godzilla, by the way. Get off my keyboard, fatty! Yeah. I can't type. Yeah, I can. Hold on. Hold on. Say stop. Don't run away. No. No. Oh, Glob. Oh, Glob. Please stop running away. You're pushing keep. What did you do? Oh, get off the keyboard! George, your lizard is attacking my keyboard. What is this? He's pushing too much stuff with his belly. Oh, he just... You know what? Just stay there. Just don't go anywhere, because I'll get in trouble. But anyway, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, I gotta jump around.
It's okay. No one knows. Sometimes the designer...
Huh? Excuse me, I need to type.
And look who's coming down the catwalk at number 8. Jasmine's got it going on. What happened?
I was in my groove, straight my style, rocking my purse. Turned around and
Ow! His nails! Nails! Please stop pushing my keyboard.
We surfed the web and found plenty of other worthy contenders for worst AM. John just checked in at the gym.
Alright.
Check out. This is Walter. His day is about to get turned upside down. Wearing a thong on the slopes probably ruined a lot of other people's day too. Take a break, get some face time.
Do you not hear this? He's scratching my keyboard. I'm not kidding. Scooch over.
Dan and his new bride are running off to enjoy their honeymoon. Someone's sleeping on the couch tonight. Remember that guy who jumped from the stratosphere and shattered the world skydiving record?
Oh, no. Hold on, let me pause this one. No, wait. He climbed up here and onto my leg. No, he was on my leg and then
You
he
gotta
just...
play a game, you know.
Yeah.
Godzilla.
Get out of here. Ew, did he just tooted? Oh no, that was a car thing. Because it fell